Today we're going to talk about intake air temperature sensors and coolant temperature sensors. I want to give you a very easy way to check those. So I'm going to turn the key on and let's go into let's turn the radio off and let's go into diagnostics, OBD2. We're going to detect the protocol that it uses. I'm intentionally using my Centec because Centec's a pretty low-end brand, so that you can see that you don't need a super expensive scanner to do this. So now we're communicating. So we have no mils. I knew that. Now we're not going to erase previous data. So let's go to live data. Now, my vehicle has been sitting overnight. So what we're going to find is that the intake air temperature and the coolant temperature are going to be very, very close, if not the same. Yeah, let's do a complete data set. So, engine coolant temperature, 78 degrees. Let's find intake air temperature, 84 degrees. Now, let me tell you why exactly they're different. The coolant temperature changes much more slowly than your air temperature, because if you have a sudden shift in the air temperature, then you have to wait for the coolant and the engine block to change temperature and then register. So my intake air is 84. Oops. So there's a 60, and engine coolant is 78. 6-degree difference. That's not bad. Today we have thunderstorms rolling through the area, so the air temperature is actually varying quite a bit. It goes up and down, up and down. A good rule to follow is those two temperatures should be within 10 degrees of each other. If you're within 10 degrees, you're good. Now, if you want to see if either of these are operating properly, you start your vehicle. Now, as your vehicle runs, your engine coolant's going to get warmer. So we're going to see that change in just a few minutes.
Like and subscribe, or I'll set this fella loose in your garage.